Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm off to work. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Like I was saying, please, if you come across my video, share the program. It's very, very important that you share the program as you're joining. Like I said, egwu awe egwu nchakashi anya. Egwu awe egwu nchakashi anya. All the tortoise will jump out. All the tortoise, all the jagons, all of them will come out because they have seen opportunity. You know, one thing is that Tunde Ednot and Verydarkman, they are good friends. So you know what, Verydarkman ikuru, Tunde Ednot will carry it along. And I have seen that Bonye Suri Tunde Ednot. That is why he carries everything. Let me tell all of you, until you guys started applying some necessary measures, all this rubbish will not stop. You understand what I mean? After all, there was a time somebody sued Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo had to settle that person with 40 million naira. There was a time somebody sued Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo ended up settling 40 million naira. Let me tell all of you. If Tunde Ednot carried something he did not verify very well and carried it, you should summon him to the right authority. Nobody is above the law. I say it with a full heart. If Tunde, because you know that Tunde Ednot is working with a Verydarkman. So if Tunde Ednot will carry a case that he knows nothing about because he has a friend that is called Verydarkman, if you're going to sue, I mean, this is a chain reaction. Let me tell you, if you guys fold hands, I like Rimo. I go for the, see, I will Tapo, ga court. I carried in Tapo to court. More or less, who is a blogger. Carry my bullshit, I'll carry you to court to come and prove it. That money you are getting for blogging, you find a way to pay it. You understand what I mean? Until you guys start holding the bull by the horn, nothing will be solved. We have guys, nothing will be resolved. You understand what I mean? Until Ndi Igbo pay, you know, now before Linda will post anything, you verify from two parties. You got to learn in a hard way. You understand what I mean? EMG like your laws, like a Verydarkman stated it clear that cyber crime now is no longer a joke. He made it clear in his video. Guys, please share this video as you're joining. Share this video, please. Share it to suppress all these their reporting and all that. You understand what I mean? I'm on my way to work. I just wanted to emphasize on this. Please, if you want to read my comments, and I'm Ogechi Okeke, sorry, I am on Woto for life. No grief for anybody. That is where I am. Woto for life. No grief for anybody. You understand what I mean? I know this video may get shaky. A lot of people will come out and start crying. But that is stand on the truth. So I like remove the things I am seeing now. The things is about to take place. This is how it should be done. Jury all of them, list all of them. Give me a court case. You understand what I mean? Okurora, do not leave any stone unturned. You know? My case in the Kebaharaloma shall revise all of them. Let them come and prove it. Let me tell you, if you don't do and carry these people by chain reaction, Oh my God. What are the power of authority? Authority will mend you. Authority will mend you. If Tunde Ednot to keep carrying false information about you, how verified are you? How did you verify this case you're carrying? That a very dark man, Princess did it. Princess, the police officer. Princess did it. Princess took all of them. The Imonya Tunde Edward, Tunde Ednot. It's not like Tunde Ednot is hiding. You don't know his identity. His identity is pure. Princess took it. Princess took a gist lover to court. Princess even dragged to Facebook. Until you start doing the right thing, none of these people will learn. Princess sued all of. Do you know how much they're about to settle with that lady? If you don't take the bull by the horn, these monsters will never learn a lesson. The reality of life. And my princess again, princess police. Also, China soon they bury in America. I will not tell you. These are the kind of things you do. Okay, Ogechi, okay. Get out. Just by nigga to shut up. Okurora. Do what you're supposed to do. Mandemo kurugi. Bijiri yenwa kebijiri wana. Remember that case. Take every draggable. Because I don't that okay, but I get to happen. Yeah, manifest here in a different way. Let them come and prove how you are scamming. When somebody with Rogawa court to Puwa court, Gawa police return wa, Bawa flight Jawa court case. You understand that this life is a different part of the game. Awe here na Kori. Imechaga gawa London. Igbo. Nwoke Igbo. Here we slap on her face. Those that supported the Kultur, this is the time to stand by him. This is the time to stand firm. All of you that stood up, that are about to stand up, this is the thing you need to do. Okurora, be a man. No more explanation. To hell with any bagger. No more explanation. Tunde Ednot to Buogi. Drag Tunde Ednot to add it to your lawsuit. Add every other ball. You have proof for how they go or verify it. Did you verify the information you carried? Did you verify it? How sure are you? But then next time you carry people's information, you ask question, you verify two parties before you carry any information to damage anybody's reputation. Simple as ABC. What thing you only verify, you should not carry it. Anything that you know that you did not verify, you should not carry it. Anything they sure of it, don't carry it. Stay clear from sharp objects until you verify the authenticity. Anytime you verify it, then you can carry it. Somebody accused you of a criminal, you did not verify it to carry it to support it. Drag Tunde Ednot to court. Drag all of them. Rubbish. Whoever wants trouble, you give it to them. Only a who peace will never see peace. That is it. Uka akweyonya Chinwe na DMR. Chinwe drag this person to let them come and prove it. No problem. There's a place to settle the matter. All of you people that decided to do something on this case, I am menunya to a fault. Verydarkman, and you them get 2 good hours. You need to come and share that okay, Ishi. We want you to show us how powerful you are. All of people that have provided his number, his full name, his whereabouts, even including his lawyer's number. Kudos to all of you. This is what you call a uniformed movement. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You want to go? Enough is enough. Onye na ebe ya berewe. And I know where do we go from here? Rubbish. Men that are not competent enough to handle matter. We don't have room for that. We need action. And action is now. Action is now. Implement all the necessary measures. So, Okurora, add every other bonus. Mande mo okoroge. Mo kuchagi. Piasi piana. Jesus COS now. They deal with you. Drag every. If I say, oh, drag ya. Onika drag. Onika brogi ga koto. Onika brogi. Equal to go case. If una case next time, you run for your life. You understand what I mean? You know, this time, if you did not add all of their names. Anyway, I will call you. I'm a Ogeda Balia. Make sure you pick up your calls. I'm a Ogeta Galam Okuro on this call. I'm a Ogena this night. Let all of them lined up in that place. Let them come. Come when they got put up again when they are in the law courts. I drag Ogechi Okeke. Our case is about to surface now. I will never leave when I know that he will identity to identify you. Because he bandan getting. He ban this war fish na how abuni won getting. They will devour you. Ndage riki aboboke. Ngine menwa Okurora drag every pieces. Everything can hurry. This is the time. I'm not wagging the truth, because if you don't move this emotion, if you don't move this motion, if you don't move it to the highest authority, my brother, you will never have peace. They too fragile. They will keep molesting you indirectly or directly. I want to put uncle, as far as so mentioned on Hagi before. Oga prove who that person that he or she is referring to that and indirect. My own is coming. I don't see. And I'm a don't be quiet and allow these people to suppress you. When they look at somebody the weak, they oppress that person. They climbed on the person's head. Ndani nene bogoshi. Ndani nene she auntie uncle philanthropist ebia Ghana mad. Uncle Okurora, put everybody under your petition. I'm not bagging the truth. My own is coming. And I made man one abaka na so. Ikugolo yaka. Iku damage jisika. Gamata no one when another profession of life. It's so me no mukerobi. I like action. I like action. Don't be deceived by stupidity. Anybody get negative advice, don't add on that person hates you. That person does not like you. When he interest, I got to get through the person. Then when interest gets hurt. Rubbish. How long will you continue to allow these monsters to devour you in different ways? How long will you continue these people to torment you? How long will you continue to these people to do this? However they want it, you give it to them. Verydarkman, I'm giving you 2 hours to send out your messed up petition. If you don't send it, you know that I got movie. We will put a movie for you. Even Tunde Edinot, as you're carrying information, you know nothing about Okurora. Let the lawyer drag you too. After all, lead the cage, you pay 40 million to settle a matter. She knows nothing about it before you carry somebody's information. Why are you guys keeping quiet? Don't you know that there is a law? If you don't get a post, then Gakanga. Only the post about somebody Gakanga for you carry information you know nothing about. What are you guys waiting for? Why are you guys so quiet why are you guys so weak to my liking? Do it and once and for all. End it once and for all. You got to end it once and for all. F off. You want to go? You end it once and for all, or these people will keep lynching you in different ways. If you don't do something now, if you don't put it to a right place, you need the right information, all of them. List their names. Serve one. Monday molested again. Monday demolai. Monday shigi iburana. Monday shigi yiri. Don't leave any store. This is the opportunity. If you miss it and you miss it, that is the end of you. I will call you this night. All of them. How many agents in Nigeria? In London, you put their names under immigration. Inshallah, have batrahazo over. Diambaragi, take it. Ozubo. Abapalanketi. Enough. Verydarkman, very threatening in Nigeria. Are you serious? Thinking that you don't have somebody. I just don't understand. I just don't get it. Rubbish. Imagine accounting. What kind of nonsense is that? Verydarkman, enough of your rubbish. Enough of your stupidity. Notago? She Okaje Julanga, Okaje Jula be keshen. Aji abo akaria lanteranshi. Notago? Or she see how I'm talking. Who is this one? Mommy Adam Kogan. How are you talking? How are you talking? I'm asking you, how are you talking? And how do you want me to talk? 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 Come again. Come up every day. Uno molest ya. Una koya body ya. Una koya bojiri bwana. Una koya bojiri bohana. Una koya bojiri denka. Una koya bojiri lekema. Ina okurora, this is it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm gonna call you. I'm going to call you. Rubbish. You don't teach these people a lesson. They will never learn. Let them come out and prove every reason. Bijiri boroma shawo no na hotel. Bijiri anagande man we go philanthropy says you gande madoshi. Rubbish. Every day na koiri. Ya urofonye. Every day. Ego COS. No problem. After this one, in the London una kwadebe. Onya gbakwala so nya chekala na owu ihe umunne gi o iga ala court no na startable. Onya chekala na owu umunne gi anu na enwere ebe somebody enwehum time oge. Na aga m ekwugide eziokwu. Osala gi kpo mo Ogechi elu kpo mo nga hu mpo ka mpo. Like I said, I don't have beef with you. I don't have problem with you. Teacher, you end up in court. What I go? You will end up in court. By mission or action. Mission how we have in it. Mission how Okurora, you are Zimbabwe man. Okurora, now we know that there is nobody like Zimbabwe. You Okurora is Zimbabwe man. What I go? Madam, your children will see it. Come on, get out of here. If you mention my children's name again, I will curse your generation. If you ever mention my children's name again, I will curse that womb that gave back to you. Don't dare me. I'm not a preacher of peace when it comes to my territory. If you mention my children again, I will curse that woman that gave back to you. Makachi, try it. Let me just give you a sound warning. Stay clear from sharp objects. And then, little $100. Ekwa hunu riri yabo putunu. Ako no bona bena ako inyo. Kauru no all platforms they destroy this young man. Kauru ne wo honye na ekutere ya. Kauru do onyola na eku against him. What go? There are many ways to channel to get your money, but not this route, Unushi. A man walk because these people are evil. Ndani no channel this route with people that have decided where one problem or another with Okurora. Une decide to use this opportunity to help the young man, and I say no to it. I still maintain my ground. I can never change to what I stand for. Makonye makagene. Makonye makagene, because you know what they want beef before. Join again. I don't join to criticize people. I don't join to bring people down. It's not in my blood. It's not in my drag every draggable soul. You have to prove in the court of law. The one who know two ways about it. And when he ban West is it time. Verydarkman, we are giving you 2 hours and 2 hours and a half pass for you to send that your messed up petition. This trouble you're looking for, those people that send it to you, you will bring them along to court. You come and verify what you are saying. When you don't verify cases, you carry it just to make a red petition. I'm giving you 24 hours. I see who. I see who. Verydarkman, I see you be who. I see you be who. Who are you threatened? A man that has sacrificed his life to save lives. A man that has paid everything that he stood for, despite that he's not that well okay. Yeji illness, yeah. Now suffer for others. No. This is a slap on every Igbo man's face. Nde paruru okwanda bahuru. Nde paruru. Owunda bahuru owumu okamu mmiri. Reasonable Igbo men, reasonable Igbo women. This is the time all of you should stand up. Another furu from another place. I be won't have to deal with Okurora because of some personal issues with some certain entities. Okurora will say the topic of the day. Okurora will forget the good things he has done. Nobody is talking about how many souls this young man has saved. Nobody is talking about it. Nobody is remembering how who is perfect. We have seen you and see how perfect you are. In a attitude, in a the arrogant. Look at you. That you don't even have nothing. No one or dogu no know you. But your arrogance is beyond imagination. And yeah, I'm seeing your comment, Alisa. I'm seeing you. That's where I am. Inform other people. She had gone at this page. We have seen your useless attitude on this live video, you name it. We have seen how good and how presented you are, and how cultured you are. Ndena judge others. Anya hunanugi. Somebody ofunyo dogu amahonyo onyowu. Somebody ofunyo panuru amahoji hunomba eji contact ya. We have seen your perfect attitude. We have seen and what on your market, one you that in a message, but legodi shinyunu neshi. Shinyunu ge shiga on a fo purora or dogu no one in a man. Why wouldn't he gorilla? In Gori on a wutegi. His pride on a wutegi. I know it hurts. Because you are not the one and glorify. You are not the one and a book or a ticket to hotel because he won't be that opportunity. And when you book that hotel to Jarano, because Okurora when that opportunity. What about the Ogidio? What about the Kaposhoko? The same Onyahuti Kaposhoko that all with the same person Anna and a book hotel. Yeah? Actually, nobody knows you before. You won't use this case trend, madam. Rest, because let me tell you, if you don't know me, that means you are useless. That means nobody will know you. I am the first person that created page on social media. Go and ask questions. You are a fool. You know nothing. Onion Blemuga Facebook could have been tampering with my pages. You are no Onyama na Facebook who just joined you like a useless person like you. Even Verydarkman is nobody when I started operating Facebook. He's nobody. I'm party Facebook. I'm partying day some evil Igbos. You understand what I mean? Are they more popular than that your useless person illegal that thought they popular than me? Am I here? Go and ask question. Okay? This Osuge miracle, you a very useless thing. So he could have done your research very well. You could have done your research very, very well. Matters if before your mother gave back to you that have been on social media. You're a very useless thing. The first person to create page is Ogechi. Go and verify. All because of evil people like you, Omenala Igbo. And the Facebook, the insults, reporting. That's why you had the audacity. You swan. You must be a nobody. I gave you guys the wings. Without me, nobody will know. No majority of all of you. Ndala. Look at an idiot. No wonder you guys are so messed up. Who are you? Who is Verydarkman? The one that came out yesterday? Who knows him? The one that opportunity to start tackling with people products. Who is Verydarkman? He's a noob. He's a new in this blue app. That is why you are useless. That is why you are useless. He's somebody, then I will use him and claim. Now do your worst. As hopeless as you are, do your worst. Because you are very useless. Now you have known me. Deal with it. You don't know me before, but you have known me now. Do your worst. And this case will end it. I will drag it to a fault that you will never see anything. You will see drag and putting a drag they exist. Foolish set of people. Nobody no. Look at this one. Come on, go and rest, sister. You evil supporters. Let me block you. Come on, get out of here. Come on, get. At least you have known me. Use another account and come and renome me. Useless things. So Verydarkman, I'm giving you 2 hours to do that thing you want to do on Okurora. If you don't do it, if you don't do it, within that 24 hours it will be on your head. That petition will be on your head. Let my enemy tell you to face me. Now the kind of fight where you and I, because Tunde Edinot go, they carry me and you video, they go everywhere. Nonsense. People will not rest for you. You drag this person, you drag this person. If you are well informed, if anybody bring matter to you, you did the same thing to one Guata. I have told one Guata to drag you to court. I don't know why they're being so slow. You try, somebody will bring case to you. You will not look for that second person to verify. That is how intellectual people do things. That is how people that have brain does things. If you have common sense, if somebody bring case to you, you will say, okay, can you give me this person information? Can you give me this person number? Let me contact this person. Let me verify some certain things before you jump into that case. Because you don't verify nothing. You just wanted to say, oh, I'm the boss, I'm did this and do that. You don't operate normally. That is not how to do things. Yeah? You will just come and be raising shoulder for no reason. Because you saw some individuals that had personal beef with Okurora. This person will come out and say, they will gather one place and say, go and open your page. Open your own page. If you open this page, open this. So after me, you come out. People will think this one they're saying is the truth. This is their format. This is their format. A group of people who decided to open pages. So people will be believing what they are saying. And your mind didn't tell you that I need to verify some certain case. So let me hear from this guy. You did not hear from Okurora. You did not hear from anybody. You decided to come and give Okurora 24 hours. This is you made the biggest mistake of your life. You see this movement, you will live to regret it. Go and mark my words. You will live to regret it. You will go to that court you don't want to go and hear them. No sense. What is all this? Every time. Wahala, 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 wahala. I have told Okurora in my live video, if you miss this opportunity, and those are standing by you will tell you to keep quiet. Mama that Ozubunu ni na peruna amu. Ozubunu ni na peruna ape. Ma hukonega patakuopem. That means I will not join your enemy and finish you for the rest of the you guys are also even supposed to exist anymore. Rubbish. How long will you continue to keep quiet? How long will you continue to shut up? Because then when there's some group of people planning no what's up every day like I put our life and I put our go life in 1 hour mapata 2 hours mapata when they can buy mapata when I get gone and kebo I'm with the G I get gone on my own no it's a destroy every day because Obagan is not saying anything. He has not been saying anything. Gada, form one alliance. Go and open a page so people will be coming, and these people will think, oh, this what you're saying is true. After this person will go, and people will think you're saying. These people are the same group of people. The same group of people. Evil set of people we have in Igbo Land. People that have been abroad, they could not achieve anything. Useless set of people. People that hate progress. If they are not the one that are receiving that momentum, if they are not the person that is receiving that grace, that's oh, we love you, oh, you have done well, oh, you are the one that doing this. Jealousy, envy, bigotry, hate. Because Oha ka aturu ego baturu okurora ego to support okurora. Hanu de ego anti me ha come. Hanu ke ego te me atoma Oha ka aturu the money. Why must it be okurora? Why must okurora be receiving all these references? Why would okurora be receiving all these praises? And that boy up on as a phone, they start seeing fault. Those that live for people's fault and they are hardly clean. They were on topo. Other people went in topo. They were on topo. Only one person went in topo. Upura went in topo. Or the arrogant. I'm seeing your comments, yeah. Okay, you are arrogant. Sorry, Upura, you are arrogant. Oma ke shekuopu. Ipo ya po. But this guy bitori ha one no me. Weapon a VIP. Weapon we get a VIP look at. Because he once supported him. Then you have to tell me how to live his life. Eh? If you want me to see your comments, come to Woto for life. Come to Woto for life. No grief for anybody. That is the only place I can see your comments. Look for that. Join me. Eba kanga hold your comments. If you're commenting other place, I will read it later. I will not see it now. It's after the program, then I will read it. Come on, get out of here, Chama Matis. Come on, Shinga Foisa. Get out. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Come on, get out. Shinga Foisa. Idiot, down to what channel. All those useless people who know they were channel in England. Oh no, support to Holatala. Ogechi Okeke Nigeria. And I'm a lot of one any name in Nigeria. Come on, Susu fucking God. I shall watch him. Get out. Come on, get out of here. Come on, Shiga voice. Get down on canna pay your back of a negi. If my page they pay you, go buy your own. You know be everybody they sell page. Go buy them now. That's a 2.2 and go yana funu. Ogana funu. Igo de dia to luna kweme. You're back for ibunegi. You're not back to rescue yourself from your miserable lifestyle. If things are moving well with all of you, and when I get put on social media and I fight other people, because all of you that life are misery. If life things are good for all of you, and when you get put on a life, you be buru ihe nishi. Eh? And when you will you be looking into other people's lifestyle? 1.2 million followers are opening here. Go and price it and buy it. Buy ya, let him also like 2 view or 3. It's none of your business. I'm sorry. Away gum. Another one. Away gum. Why are you guys crying? If you can afford it, go and choke. Let me buy. Go and buy. Why are you crying every time? You're 1.2. Go and get your money back. How would Davido zero private jet the other day? Are you? And I shouldn't went down on inside there. No, is it not Davido that bought that private jet? You go and buy your own. Or the day Nani Apro like I guess why Ojigaba empty pota is Obasarage. Now me, if I like, I will buy another 2 point. I would buy another one 3.5 the way. It's my money. Why are you crying? When I go and buy, then we go manage and build from scratch. Useless set of miserable bitches everywhere. I should go and sit down. Okay. A block with Munegi. Come on, she got for it. Idiot, nda buono. Yawuru ni ihe na drege mo kuro ramata utposhre wo your matter. Yawuru na your life is moving well. If you are not too miserable with your fucked up life, how would someone else's problem be your problem? Because none of you make ihe gashigara. Pen ekworo ihe mbu. Nothing is moving. What less people know obodo ibe when here pastor. Ile common moto hana aba wo even to fear to fukara gemma. Very messed up people their life for question what they are still doing in obodo ibo. Give away property, they become intimidated. National war game one way. Let me show you property. Our all is massive, baby. I want to show you something. In my name, between a plastering at that time. I want to show you something. Iwe property because of the intimidation. Actually, nobody you get that. Because Hamana, their generation, the thing is very massive. It's very intimidating. It's very. Make a way engineer. Make a engineer. The thing is very intimidating. The way Epidogo, oh, I got with Shahama. The way Epidogo the plastering is massive, baby. On a kuyo binaf, I can relate to your pain. Remember now here. I feel now. You don't stop plastering. So next national, you went and videoed the people's house to tell you how intimidated your success in Mendinogi. To tell you how you are suppressing them, because when they look at it, they know that in their next generation, how are they intimidated? Be very what did Dr. Jaya my hotel? Well, you are not invited in any of my property. Nega Gaban. Gase. Hey! Chineke mena me bere. If anyway, before then, I can't get that barage. Mechagi here. Eh? Gamana wine in Ipeya no. Oh no, Ura Mona Genaba. You want to go? So, there are people that their lives are messed up. Their lives are messed up. Because you would have find out a way to build your life and leave other people alone. Because when you get frustration on abroad and manyaka. And when they got like this, some people put a bail to face Ziganolo. Somebody to say, and I'm sure I'm man. Hi, you know frustration no what, eh? when frustration done with you. And when they live by paycheck to paycheck. Because I should be allowed, but I know when we go to school, they don't want to go. Live the life with for. You become a threat. You become a threat. Don't worry. Without this way, nobody will learn. This is the only way, and this way is the only way out. Drag every dragable to court. Namu barage. Drag every dragable. Kau kwake mama police. Bo police. No. Our police make it popular but no. Drag up we wouldn't to court. And then I got to Abuja. If I got a flight ticket, naga. No through easy. You have freedom. Easy way freedom. At least I went 3 times. I went call to 3 times in a month. Only have a ticket to Abuja. But they are local. Moto kubuela eba fine. Okurori when people gonna book your own tickets. Gana pata. Drag them to Abuja. Don't drag them local east though. Everyone drag in a local east. And they tell you the truth. Onye na aga Abuja. Onye na aga ya na eru Abuja. I nwere ndị ga book the flight ticket gị gbamgbi. Emekwala anything in the east. Emekwala anything in the east. Enyekwala ha free liberty. Haba taizi 5,000 here no yo. No. And when you ikrepu mad financial disability. Financial disability, drag them. Even when I hear judge when he came to in a month to 3 times. You might join the case. And I call it. Even when the people that are ready, they are ready there to support you. Dragging that. Oh, Chineke. You want to go? Ebe chaga wana London. Ebe chaga ga England. I join the collect the percentage. Or you know what the percentage to collect percentage from people. The main criminal who do na ogi criminal. The main criminals who do na ogi criminal. Ibe abandana madu each person e potrana this COS na £2,000. Onye gwara again, he le kunya aboto Jesus. Look what this person about Timaton, okay, Benji camera. Timaton, look. He look one ara chai. Hey, Chinek ara one hojo. Le. Oh. Hey, onye ke kofula o. Look on Otunde Choko Abamu. Where do we go from here? All the results. Hey, Friday Kona o chai. I am a traffic in Nina o chai. Hey, I try to be close to my car also. Also can worry because I go while I'm whiskey moto. Whiskey moto want me away go mash. Oh, Chinekele. Oh, Nando Chenwe Bana Modale Babam. Nandena Lopando chap. Sorry, oh, Ndochenwe Badiamo. Hey, Ndochenwe Dinamo. No wonder black men is expensive. Hey, la. The boy. Nobody in anywhere. Oh, last. Oh. Hey, le. What a young boy for that matara. Oh. Chai. Yeah. Where do we go from here? Hey, Timo, Ijo, chai. So, my dear people, let me go back to what I was saying. Let me go back to what. Okay, chog. You want to hear me? I get some lady. I get some lady. The drama. I'm going to traffic. He came with the guy lost in a highway. Oh, she said, how can you do this to your own people? So, boo. Hey, what I go? What a small arm, my dear. I for offer him Zolo bitters always joke. Hey, but they went to me here. When me here, the thing and when me here. So, put on like I was saying, me call this thing na east. Me call any case all in na east. Drag it to Abuja. Drag it to High Court Abuja. Me call ya na east. Inyan there na east. Inyan have free liberty. And the open and Verydarkman, all of their names, Danny been bullying you, ne Pogoshi. Mandeka no east. Get list and they submit their own na immigration. That is it. All these people gather around me, the Pogoshi. You've tried to find out their real names. Because he make I help other people feel that they had a laugh. You know? All of them that joined this, she not Nige Zuru Hike. Na problem Muki who has become their own problem. You want to go? Carry this matter. Carry am woto. Carry am abapalankete. Ime ha isi the close. Lawyer ha ga charge at least. Ego je Abuja return. Ego je Abuja. Ego je ma appearance. Matter. Plus ego ki ge sue ha. I'm just telling you. Emene did anybody in faith? Or she rest in Jesus' name. Go make you don't rest in Jesus' name. Rest in Jesus' name. Drag them to the truth. Because anyone in an opportunity, now you're gonna put it others. All of them, drag them, they go where they go. No stone she left unturned. Okay, William and Dewaton. I will Bacashon, Anna Bacashon, Banner. I don't Bacashon we did, but I actually, when we want to deal with you, a deal share with you, Gamma thing. Very, very well. I don't know a good Bacashon when you want time for rubbish. Onye we go, ya ganga, or here my property in the corner. That is the only way. One guy have a equal long story. One guy have a equal long story. Etigen and guy. That don't mean well he gija poyam. Etigi that enga. One opportunity about go gundara gan rebang west here. I don't bag even the boko hanam chefuogi. There's many ways to kill a rat. Abago gundara chefuogi because you are minority, nobody knows you. Ejano yano. Abafuogi. Abago bunyara. Gena potaka gare mana ayowere. Because you know you are nobody. E make ke nwe honye wugene. Ejano ka mana anuka. Bago bundara. If they cannot control it a little again, gagare on the streets. E kema geri kema go. Ichananda na honna gare chane wo. All we have around Arokage, you become useless. Oh, I better go to apprehend, make so good kage megi before you totally scatter. Because you're nobody. You will last name. Nobody will stand for you. Okay, they are aware. They won't hurry home possible in Nigeria. Picking, we say no go sleep, no go sleep. We say no go sleep, no go sleep. When you lash young marry problem culture, you give it to them woto in a different ways. Ndala. Enough is enough. You do the right thing. Don't you hear West young people pin the banu on Facebook. Kurume bano we huru. Ana koiri. Bakashon. No, we bakashon. Heja haji. Belle chinagashione kara chamane. Do fuogi. After all, in America, you may on a foggy. When you're walking. Peking, we say mama no go sleep, no go sleep. What are we saying? No go rest, no go rest. Come on, get out of here. Come on, Shinga for some. At least you have known me. And one year, mama, you have known me. That makes you that one person from you, they don't know me. I block another account. At least say matagom now. If nobody knows me, at least you have known me. You know me, right? At least nobody know me, but at least you know me. Guys, let me go and clock in. I'll be right. Oh, when you put there. When they got here. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a rich tomorrow. When they got now. None of my like a park now, so building. None of my like my park, man, on my car. Alright, guys. See you guys later. At least you don't know me now. I don't understand the Igbo language. Probably, what's your position? Are you against or you are for? Am I against? I'm for who? Nice hair, sis. Thank you. Am I against? I'm for who? I don't understand you. Guys, make I go clock in, John. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.